Do we need any excuse for a walk around and ogle at some stunning bikes? We're here at the Bike Specialists in Sheffield. We thought we'd have a little wander, show you some of the stuff that's in stock at the moment, mainly so we can all pick our favourite bikes and daydream over about what it would be like to actually own and ride one. Now, this pile here is actually all sold, but we rode that ZX7 RR. That has one of the best airbox noises I've ever heard. I'm going to pick my favourite. It's pretty easy. We knew it was coming. The very first dream ride we did, the Ducati 998R. RC30 is actually climbed to a very close second. Really, really enjoyed riding that. Obviously the NC30. I mean, the small matter of an NR750. How often do you see one of them? Absolutely epic bike. And then let's head over here. Gonna ride that tomorrow. That is a Triumph Rocket. Bonkers enough. That one's got a supercharger on it. Marquez Rep Blade. All of the Ducatis over there. Superleggera 1199. Genuinely one of the angriest and most dangerous bikes I've ever ridden. Absolutely love those things. And then some beautiful. We got to go and have a look at the classic Ducatis. Everyone loves a full Spark replica. Look at those sport classics. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely old British stuff. Petronas FP1, look at that. Fair play, Cole Fogarty. Not many people have got a bike named after him. That's pretty cool. Nice more classics. Awesome old trail bikes. I've actually had a play on these around inside the building. Keep them clean, keep them dry. Mopeds. Hey, everything's better with a supercharger, right? Honestly, it's like the ultimate toy shed. There's every dream bike you can ever think of here. Something I do really want to ride actually is an 1100 Slingshot. That is one of those bikes that, as a kid, I can just remember all stories starting with, I was riding a GSXR 1100 and crash, boom, police chase. So yeah, proper hero bike for me, that one. But yeah, stick a note in the comments below. Let us know what your favourite is out of the collection we've just seen. And maybe we'll see if we can twist James's arm to let us ride a few more.